Hi, it's Dr. David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the nation's leader in regenerative cell therapies. If you or a loved one is considering undergoing a surgery for something like arthritis or another degenerative condition, that surgery is going to be something that burns a bridge, meaning there's no coming back from that. It's not something that can be undone. Why not consider a regenerative cell therapy, which includes such cell types as secretomes, exosomes, growth factors, stem cells, cytokines, that have been shown to be very safe. They're also non-operative. We're not burning any bridges, okay? And it has the potential to help you get back to doing a lot of the things in life that you've been missing. Imagine a better quality of life, being able to walk farther, breathe easier, play with your grandkids, get back to recreational activities that you've been missing. So visit us online today at r3stemcell.com to learn more, and then call us at 844-GET-STEM.